Mastering polite expressions, asking for help. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. In this video, we will delve into the topic of asking for help using the phrase, "I need help with." This is an essential skill that will greatly improve your ability to communicate effectively in English. So, let's get started. When asking for help, it's important to use the phrase, "I need help with," to specify the problem or area you require assistance with. This structure helps you clearly express your needs and enables others to understand how they can assist you. For example, if you are struggling with understanding a grammar rule, you can say, "I need help with understanding the present perfect tense." If you're unsure about the meaning of a particular word, you can say, "I need help with the definition of encourage." Remember, by using this structure, you are politely indicating your need for assistance, making it easier for others to offer help. Asking for help also involves making specific requests to address your concerns. Let's look at a few examples. 1. Could you help me with my pronunciation? This request is used when you want someone to assist you in improving your pronunciation skills. 2. Would you mind explaining this concept to me? This request is used when you would like someone to provide a detailed explanation of a specific concept or topic. 3. Can you show me how to use this software? This request is used when you need guidance or a demonstration on how to use a particular software or program. Remember, using polite expressions such as, "Could you?" "Would you mind?" or "Can you?" helps create a friendly and respectful tone when seeking assistance. When asking for help, it's important to be clear about the specific aspect you need assistance with. Here are a few examples. 1. I need help with the pronunciation of this word. Could you repeat it, please? This request seeks clarification on how to pronounce a specific word. 2. I'm having trouble understanding this paragraph. Can you break it down for me? This request asks for a detailed explanation or a simplified version of a challenging paragraph. 3. Could you explain the steps of this process one more time? I'm not quite sure I understood. This request asks for a repetition or further clarification of a process or set of instructions. By using phrases like, "Could you repeat?" "Can you break it down?" or "Could you explain again?" you show that you value the other person's assistance and are genuinely interested in understanding the subject matter. Remember, when someone helps you, it's important to express your gratitude. Here are a few expressions you can use. 1. Thank you so much for your help. This expression conveys sincere appreciation for the assistance received. 2. I really appreciate your time and effort in helping me. This expression acknowledges the person's investment in helping you and shows your gratitude. 3. I'm grateful for your support. Thank you. This expression expresses gratitude and acknowledges the support provided. Using these expressions demonstrates your appreciation for the help you've received and strengthens your relationship with the person assisting you. Congratulations! You have now learned how to use the phrase, "I need help with," to specify your problem or area of need. By mastering this skill, you will be able to ask,